All right, guys, we have a very, very, very exciting Halloween special. Is that what you want to call this?
I guess.
I just got here. I never know on Saturdays. What are we doing?
I never know either.
What's going on here?
They're gone. Fetty Potter has them. I don't even know what you call this.
The Sasquatch feet.
These are Wolverine.
Wolverine feet?
If I take my shoes off, they look exactly like this, dude.
Stupid skate. Nigel versus Carlos.
Full park?
Full park?
Full park.
Leave it in the comments below. Full park or flat ground? You're not gonna put any insoles or anything?
Nope.
You're just going just like that.
going.
Just put your shoes on and then put your shoes in there.
No, that's cheating.
Oh my gosh.
Does it? Let me try it and see if it fits.
Does your foot fit in there?
Not with the shoe on.
That's I don't like this. Am I half showing? I'm a little showing just right now. Whose idea was this?
This is mine.
If I get hurt, I know who to blame.
It's actually Daniel's idea.
We're gonna start a new trend. These are the new skate shoes, pro model. Check it out. Oh God, this is gonna hurt. Anything that has to do with no hopping, I'm okay with. So I'm down with full park.
No hopping?
Sure. No hopping. Like I can do everything I can. Just so you know, a bunch of kick turns and
you look
frontside,
concerned.
backsides.
I'm concerned.
What?
He's not even in the game.
There is no insoles, there's no shoes. They're gonna break their toes off in there.
We've skated Crocs.
I know, Crocs have soles and they help your feet survive.
So you're saying I don't have a sole? Is that it?
This feels like just like a padded sock.
You made me skate 10 socks.
10 socks is 10. This is one padded
yeah,
sock.
it's like
that's 9 less layers of protection. And you're like, oh yeah, full park. Okay, Rochambeau, boys.
You didn't win! Get out of here! I win!
Carlos is first.
I will start off easy. I'm gonna roll down the bank just to get a feel for it. Okay. Just testing out the waters.
I love how the fur flows in the wind. Nigel's remind me of Lance's chest hair. Oh!
Count it. We're having a Braille House party on October 27th for Halloween. Bring your costume. See you at the Braille House. If you ever want to go to the Braille House, this is your chance.
So I'm going beast mode. I'm gonna try to 50-50 that thing.
I can't believe they're skating in their bare feet.
Oh.
Got him! We're going to the big bowl. We're gonna barely make it in this.
Nigel, what?
You better put your paws real nicely down on this one.
Dude, I've never.
It was nice
What do I
knowing
do?
you. It was nice knowing you, Bigfoot.
100% for me. Have you dropped in on this before? No? You can drop in on big bowls like this, right?
Yeah, I can just. Come on.
But did I stump Luchalitos?
I think so. Dude, I'm like
Look at-
petrified right now. I can't like.
Look at, don't even think about it. Just like on that side, just a little.
Oh! Oh!
Never again.
He just clawed his way to the top.
Man, that was as rare as seeing a Sasquatch in the wild.
Rarer. I see Sasquatches all the time.
That's a milestone for me, dude.
Let's go.
Oh my God, that was sketchy.
You've never seen anyone do that?
No. Go away. Yeah.
There you go.
Now it's your turn.
Out of your mind. I'm a baby right now. I'm learning. My friends, though, could probably do a lot of it. Good job. Thank you for letting me watch your amazing feat of inspiration.
Aw, thank you.
Amazing feat.
Oh.
Thank you. I'm gonna manual that.
Oh!
Carlos, you're up.
It's gonna hurt. Oh my God.
Oh!
We're not playing skate. We're playing the word claws. I'm actually more glad to be alive after that drop-in, dude.
Me too.
Oh,
Now everything is going to be easy for you today.
I think so. Put some confidence in this little bean body.
Oh, I love what he's doing today.
Carlos, calm down.
Oh!
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
No one will understand how crazy any of this is. Put yourself in like the worst slippers ever made and then no grip. How are they even ollieing? Like what is sliding up the grip tape?
It's catching on to little fur fibers. Whoa! My worst fear is landing on like a bank going fast and just slipping because there's no grip on the shoes.
Your worst fur?
My worst fur.
You guys gotta bear with me on this one, okay?
Wow! First try!
Ah!
I'm gonna try to kickflip it.
Oh,
I realize we haven't done any kickflips yet. Oh wow!
Oh!
It's okay, I'm fine.
Well, we make it
He barely hung on.
Nah.
Remind me to get a pedicure after this, okay?
I will.
Oh, ow! Oh my god, my heel! That sucked! Ah!
Don't worry, it'll heal.
It is so hard to kick.
Alright, you wanna do flat ground tricks?
Done
Oh, it's
it.
so hard!
Oh!
Hanging on by one nail.
I'm gonna mess with him on this one.
Oh, yeah.
What are you doing?
Hold up.
Just because your name's on the board doesn't mean you can do everything! So, I'm gonna take the L on this one and say, hell no! What's he doing? What's he doing? What are you doing, Spiders?
Wow!
He needs to calm down. He needs to calm down.
Carlos is on it today.
Alright, I got one more, right?
Yes! Nigel, you don't have to try it again.
All right, so we decided that we're gonna extend the game and we're gonna play Claws Beast. So Nigel has claws. And what do you got?
Nothing.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Unicorn magic!
Oh, yes!
Oh! Oh, stop! Get out of there!
Front side transfer stink bug. Oh no!
Oh! Oh no! That's what I was talking about.
Hey, Gabe,
Yo!
I'm a 5-0 outside.
Hey!
This is scary.
Yeah, it is. Oh no!
What
Absolutely
in
not.
the
No,
claws?
thank you. Carlos is gonna land it, but
Carlos
no,
is
thank
gonna
you.
land it.
I got you an F.
Spiders!
Da, 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 da.
What in the?
Yeah, I would have. If you landed on the shove, I would have given that to you.
Why did we extend this game? I was so content with it just being over. I was like, I'll accept this L because these
Because you're an
hurt.
animal. You can handle it.
He's got like hard feet, I guess, because none of this hurts him.
I've never seen such grace.
We'll talk about it later.
Oh no!
I like how these guys are hurting for me.
I'll never skate again just watching that.
Oh no!
Oh my
oh
God.
no! Oh no! It's very hard to mess that up.
That's just explaining my life right now.
Yeah. Bear. Oh.
Nothing to see here.
Earlier, when it was just claws, I was happy. I was very happy. I could have lost with some pride and dignity. Now you guys want to extend it and just destroy my hopes and dreams of getting Carlos another letter. He's just making me look like doodle caca.
You're going into the grass or into the forest? Okay.
Oh no.
Oh my God! Oh no!
I like elbowed myself into the rib.
Oh no!
I'm sorry I'm laughing, but oh my goodness. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just elbowed myself into the rib.
Didn't even try to put his hands out, just like, okay, here we go. Oh.
I think that was the loudest I've ever heard Carlos hit the ground. Here's your chance.
Front side power slide over this hump.
Have you seen anyone fall that hard?
What happened? Let me see. I
He
can't.
fell super hard over there.
The sun's in my eyes. I gotta look. I can't see anything. Where's the video? Oh, it's over there.
I'll show you in a little while, once we're done with this video. Go, Nigel! It looks like he has tears in his eyes.
It does.
You good?
Yeah, I just elbowed myself in the rib. If you guys ever had that sensation, you just lose all breathing privileges.
It sounded like
someone punched a
steak. Are you ready for this?
Yep.
I got one more and then I'm done. That one thing I always get him a letter on. I thought about it coming out and I was like, there's no like track.
Carlos is taking the letter. Go ahead.
Let me see what you got.
Wow. Woo.
Nice. Ooh, I got it. Oh my God.
Why?
Something's wrong with the
They don't believe in the kid?
They don't believe in the kid. You gotta do the 50-50.
I gotta do the 50-50. Well, guess what? They don't gotta believe in the kid. Carlos, good game! I really want to try it, but not with these on. It doesn't feel good. I'm gonna be a weenie. I'm sorry, guys. I'm the big green weenie right now.
I'm surprised I even rode away from that.
You're just gonna end it like that?
Yeah.
Alright guys, well we hope you enjoyed that video and had a blast watching it, as much as a blast as we had making it. We will see you at the Braille House party, October 27th. It is our Halloween party and it's always a blast. Every year it's a blast. You can get tickets at brailleskateboarding.com. I will see you guys there. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. There's a whole playlist coming right after this, so watch them all.